Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by choosing a simple capacitive stylus or making a DIY tip. Wrap a small cotton wad in aluminum foil and secure it to a plastic pen. This makes a conductive tip that the iPad recognizes. Once done, make sure touch settings won't block it. Toggle palm rejection or assistive touch so your palm doesn't create stray marks. Clean the screen, oils reduce responsiveness, wiping with a microfiber cloth. These steps create a reliable, low-cost input so you can scribble immediately without an Apple Pencil. Next, open your preferred drawing app and pick a simple brush preset. Turn off pressure sensitivity since the DIY tip lacks pressure data. Then adjust brush size and enable line smoothing or stabilization so strokes track your motion smoothly. Practice by drawing short controlled strokes, then connect them into longer lines. This trains you to use a steadier angle and light, even pressure. Make small adjustments to size and smoothing as you go, because tuning these settings is what turns rough scribbles into legend. To finish, organize your work on layers so you can edit without ruining everything. This helps when your DIY tip slips. For details, switch to a finer tip, fold the foil tighter, or use a stylus with a 1/2 mm conductive nib. Once done, export or save. If you see jitter or misstrokes, clean the screen again, reduce brush smoothing slightly, or test another tip shape. These final adjustments fix most problems and let you scribble reliably without an Apple Pencil.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.